It's only been a couple of days since the last one, but it's been a couple of very sunny days, so I went ahead and thought I'd go ahead and make another one here. These purple ghosts, they're coming right along. Then what else have we got? I got hair pepper. That one's quite a few on there. We got this cayenne. Those have been growing for a bit though. We got the ghosts in there. Another plant just starting to grow, a couple of decent sized ones. But and then of course there's the habaneros. All kinds of habaneros in there. Don't want to disturb it too much, but then there's 3 on this plant. These are habaneros about to turn ripe. This guy right here is a Trinidad scorpion. And here's the real exciting one. Trying to get a good picture out here. That right there is Carolina Reaper. The shape was a little bit more pronounced the other day. But there's a number of fertilized buds here, and we'll be seeing some reapers before too long. This one here is a white fatale. It's in the same pot. You got this one. This one's called Skunk Red. For unknown reasons. This one here is Bishop's Crown, and it's been dropping all the buds that get fertilized. Not really sure what to make of that. And these guys, these are the Thai plants, and they are just covered in peppers. They are all facing straight up, just covered in peppers. And actually, like this one down here is just starting to turn red. I've had no red Thai peppers yet, and I really don't know whether that's because they turn dark green or they just haven't ripened yet. There's occasional dark ones, like this one here. This one's like a purple color. But I heard that usually purple on peppers is like a sunburn kind of thing, except for in the case of like purple peppers. But regular peppers will get like a purple tinge to them if they get too much direct sunlight on the pepper. I don't know. It's quite a production.